Okay guys, we are here at the next turnover. It's late, it's about like almost 5 o'clock. I wish I was here earlier, but I had other things to do. But we're gonna get started. One thing I would say that helps me out on doing turnovers is make your list and like just start checking stuff off when you complete it. A list makes you more organized and you get to see what needs to be done and what you need to get if you need to get more material. Instead of having everything in your head. When you have everything in your head, the thing is like when you try to remember everything in your head, you gotta remember that there's other space occupied with other things that you are thinking about. And it's easy to get confused or forget about something you have to do because something else might pop up. But we're gonna knock out these toilet seats. Very easy. Let's do this one right here. Change this fill valve because this is defective. I don't know what this is, but I think it's causing this to like mess up. Look how it sounds. Oh, there we go. That's what I was waiting for. So we're just gonna change this. Look at all this. Ghetto rigged it. Ghetto rigged it. It's about 8 o'clock, I think, 8:35. Been here since like, I think 3, and it takes me an hour and a half to drive back home, so won't leave now. I gotta come back, get my ladder so I can reach that smoke detector, carbon monoxide. There's another one in the master bedroom up here. Where's it at? Right there, right up there, right there. Oh, this is the door they're talking about. Patch that up. But I have to come back anyways because I didn't realize that this was missing. This right here. There's some other stuff I found. Like there's a missing faceplate in one of these rooms. This toilet is gonna have to be lifted up, get a new wax ring, get some new bolts because that one moves, and caulked. Same. Oh, and then this one needs a new fill valve also. And then I gotta put the curtains up. Curtain rods back up. Did the light switches. Did that. I gotta get a new lever that goes right here. It broke off and they Mickey Moused it. And then this one needs a new fill valve also. And I think they want me to caulk this right here. Recaulk it. Same thing with the toilet. That doesn't have no caulking on it. Gotta get drain stoppers. They said simple. I don't know what they mean by simple because there's the push ones and then there's these pull lever ones. I think it's the same thing with this other bathroom. They want the drain stopper also. Yeah, this was missing. I gotta get some transition strips right there. And I think that's about it. So I'll be back next week. I got some other work I have to do for the remaining week. But today was pretty productive, I guess I'll say. Productive. I'm not mad at it. I kind of figured it would take me 2 days because I knew I'll find some stuff that was on the list and I got to report back to them, make sure they approve it before I work on it. So yeah, we'll get back to this property on another video. Make sure you guys subscribe.